Chess has always been a game of strategy, where players use their intelligence to outwit their opponents. For centuries, human players have competed against one another in this game of wits. However, with the advent of computers, the game has changed dramatically. Today, chess is no longer just a battle between human players, but also between players and machines. In this essay, we will examine the history of this battle, the strategies employed by both sides, and the current state of the competition. History. The first computer to play chess was created in the early 1950s by Claude Shannon, a mathematician and computer scientist. The machine, called the Turbochamp, was very primitive compared to modern computers, but it was able to play a basic game of chess. Over the next few decades, computer chess programs improved dramatically, but they were still no match for the best human players. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue computer made history by defeating world champion Garry Kasparov in a 6-game match. This was a major milestone in the battle between humans and machines, as it demonstrated that computers were capable of outwitting the best human players. Since then, computer chess programs have continued to improve, and today they are capable of defeating even the strongest human players. Strategies. Chess players and computer programs use very different strategies to play the game. Human players rely on their intuition, experience, and creativity to come up with new and unexpected moves. They also use psychological tactics to try to put their opponents off balance. Computer programs, on the other hand, rely on brute force calculation. They are able to analyze millions of possible moves in a matter of seconds, something that is impossible for a human player to do. They also use sophisticated algorithms and search techniques to find the best possible move in any given position. Current state. Today, the battle between chess players and computers is still ongoing. While computers are capable of beating the best human players, there are still some areas where humans excel. For example, human players are better at recognizing patterns and coming up with creative solutions to complex problems. Despite this, the gap between human and computer players is narrowing. In 2017, Google's AlphaZero program was able to teach itself how to play chess from scratch, and within a few hours, it was able to defeat the strongest existing computer programs. This demonstrated that there is still room for improvement in computer chess programs, and that they will continue to pose a challenge for human players in the future. Conclusion. The battle between chess players and computers has been ongoing for decades, and it shows no sign of slowing down. While computers have made great strides in recent years, there are still areas where human players excel. However, as computer programs continue to improve, it is likely that they will eventually surpass even the best human players. In the end, the battle between humans and machines is a testament to the power of technology, and the endless possibilities it provides for the future of gaming and artificial intelligence.